The trim length function determines how long the tail is after a trim is performed. If the trim length is too short, the thread will pull out of the eye of the needle before it makes the first stitch. If the trim length is too long, the machine will leave a thread sticking out of the front surface of your embroidery rather than pulling it down to the underside of your embroidery. To adjust the trim length, we use the up-down button to put the cursor next to where it says trim length, then press the set button. If we want the trim length set to short, we would type in a value of 0, medium, a value of 1, long, a value of 2. In this particular case, I want it at medium, which is the standard default setting on these machines and is typically where they run best. I'm going to type in 1 using the numeric keypad and press set to lock in the value.